What truly makes you happy? Think about it. Today we're exploring the 7 habits of genuinely joyful people. These are habits that, when woven into our day-to-day lives, help cultivate a sense of fulfillment and joy. Join us as we delve into these 7 habits that could unlock the secret to a lifetime of joy and happiness. Firstly, happy people begin their day with gratitude. Imagine a person who starts their day jotting down 3 things they are grateful for. It could be a loving family, a stable job, or even the simple joy of a warm cup of coffee. This simple act of acknowledging the good in life shifts their focus from what's missing to the abundance that's already present. It's a powerful reminder that even on tough days, there's always something to be thankful for. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Secondly, happy people practice mindfulness and presence. This is the art of being fully engaged in the present moment, not lost in past regrets or future anxieties. Imagine a person sitting quietly, focusing on the rhythm of their breath. They're not just breathing, they're deeply aware of each inhalation and exhalation, the sensation as air fills their lungs and then leaves. This simple practice, done for a few minutes each day, can yield tremendous benefits. It reduces stress, enhances focus, and most importantly, it fosters a deep-seated contentment. Mindfulness is the key to unlocking a state of peaceful happiness. Thirdly, happy people nurture meaningful connections. In the hubbub of daily life, it's easy to overlook the importance of human connection, but it's vital for our well-being. Let's consider Lisa, a successful entrepreneur. Despite her busy schedule, Lisa makes time to connect with her family and friends regularly. She believes that these relationships are her lifeline, her source of joy, strength, and support. Engaging in heartfelt conversations, sharing laughter, and creating memories together, all these moments add up to make life truly worth living. Remember, happiness is only real when shared. Fourthly, happy people embrace a healthy lifestyle. Physical health and mental well-being are 2 sides of the same coin. Imagine a woman named Jane. Jane understands this balance. She ensures to incorporate regular exercise into her daily routine. Whether it's yoga in the morning or a brisk walk in the evening, she keeps her body moving. Along with this, Jane fuels her body with a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. By doing so, she not only strengthens her body but also her mind. A healthy body houses a happy mind. Fifthly, happy people are committed to continuous learning and growth. They understand that the journey of self-improvement is never-ending, and that there's always something new to learn, to discover. Take for instance the habit of setting aside time each day for reading or learning something new. This practice not only broadens your horizons but also keeps your mind sharp and your spirit alive. Whether it's a new language, a new skill, or just a fascinating piece of trivia, each day offers an opportunity for growth. Remember, growth and comfort do not coexist. Sixthly, happy people cultivate a positive mindset. This isn't merely about plastering a smile on your face, but a genuine shift in perspective. Think of it like a gardener, carefully tending to their plants, removing weeds, and nurturing growth. Our thoughts are similar. Like a gardener, we can weed out negativity and sow seeds of positivity. Take Sarah, for instance. Every morning she looks in the mirror and tells herself, "I am capable, I am worthy, and today will be a great day." This daily practice of positive affirmations helps her cultivate a mindset that is resilient, optimistic, and, ultimately, happier. Keep in mind, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Lastly, happy people prioritize self-care. It's the cornerstone of a joyful life, a non-negotiable aspect of maintaining happiness. Imagine a friend who values self-care. She ensures she has time to unwind, maybe with a good book and a cup of tea, or perhaps with a brisk walk in the park. She understands that these moments of relaxation aren't indulgent but crucial to her overall well-being. They recharge her, giving her the energy to face life's challenges with a smile. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So those are the 7 habits of truly happy people. Embracing gratitude, being present, nurturing connections, living healthily, continuously growing, maintaining positivity, and prioritizing self-care. Each habit, a key turning the lock to joy and fulfillment. Start today, and unlock your own secret to a lifetime of joy and happiness.